The wood pellet grill that turns ordinary backyard cookouts. This grill doesn't just perform, it flexes. Locking casters? Check. 2 meat probes? Yep. Manual feed, grease system, auto startup, cool down, storage cabinet, all there, all Z grills. And that hopper cleanout? Let's just say your future self will thank you. This beauty isn't just built tough, it's built smart. With the set it and forget it magic of Z grills, you can load it, lock it, and lounge. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app lets you monitor everything from your phone, so go ahead, grab a cold one, and let the grill do the work. But here's something cool. The Z Grill's reward crowdfunding program is not just about buying a great pellet grill today, it's about long-term rewards. When you buy a Z Grill, you're supporting a growing brand, and in return, you get 10 more upgraded grills over 50 years, totally free. Every 5 years, they send you a brand new grill. You just cover a small shipping fee or pick it up yourself. Every bite bursts with real wood fire flavor. No guesswork, no flare-ups, just perfect heat control and mouth-watering results. So if you want awesome grilling now and more rewards later, check out Z Grills and elevate your barbecue experience.